Ladies and gentlemen.
Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I have been looking for the perfect time to film this video, and there is no perfect time. There is no such thing. I am getting ready to go to a seminar this morning, and I'm dressed, my hair is done, my makeup's on, and I'm in something other than just my leisure clothes. And I thought, you know what? I've had my coffee. I'm going to get up this morning and I'm going to do the best I can to film this video for you guys. Real quickly, you guys know that Ronnie and I have been trying to eat a little more healthy, and I'm going to try to stack you up here like this so that it's a little more comfortable for my arm. We have been doing a fitness and wellness thing with the organization that we belong to. Now, whether or not they were doing this fitness and wellness situation, Ronnie and I had already agreed that we needed to do some cutting down and some more exercise and that kind of thing. I can tell you that I definitely feel better because of it. And I have just overall just taken away from the last, I believe this is our third week. Do not quote me on that. I don't know for sure. I cannot remember. I think it's our third week into this. Every mile that we walk is a point. Basically, the organization has set up a competition where you get points for when you go to the gym, when you go to the pool, when you walk a mile, each healthy meal that you make. Anyhow, you do these things. And when you go to the gym outside of Cabell Wayne's hours, 20 minutes of exercise. I'm trying to think all the things that you can earn points for. But anyhow, you get the picture. You earn these points. And then they're going to have a first place, second place, and third place winner. Are we going to win? Probably not. But, we are in this because we had planned to go to the gym more often and get a little healthier and do all the things. And some of you guys have been asking me about it. And I thought that I would come in and do this video because I feel like it's been a hot minute since I have actually had a sit down hello with you guys. I feel like all I do is my Walmart Plus hauls for you guys. I promise you, God willing, that I am going to be bringing you some spring cleaning videos. I am going to start my spring cleaning this Thursday. So next week, look for those videos to come out. I am doing the very best that I can. I am a woman who is so busy. I'm running around like a chicken with my head cut off. And now we're getting into spring. So that means yard work. And it means keeping up with the outside of this house, which is a mission for me. I don't mind doing it. In fact, I've found that I'd rather be mowing grass than dusting any day of the week. I love the sunshine. I definitely enjoy this warmer weather. And we have had up and down weather like crazy. And this morning I woke up with a horrendous migraine headache, and my migraines make me really, really nauseated. And I had a time this morning, guys. I'm feeling better now. I took a couple Excedrin. I drank a big cup of coffee. Kind of got me a little bite in my body of something to eat. And so I do feel a little bit better. However, if you are a migraine sufferer, you know it is not a pleasure cruise. And there is not really, in my situation, there's not really a cure necessarily. Like, I feel like once I get the headache, it sort of lingers throughout the rest of the day. And it really puts a nail in how I feel today. So I just thought I would come on here and tell you guys a few things about our fitness and wellness journey for Ron and I. First of all, I just want to say that if you've been watching me, you guys know that this year I invested in a Apple Watch. And I love the Apple Watch because I can Bluetooth it to my phone and keep track of how many miles I walk in a day. I can actually track when I'm at the gym and I'm at the track itself, to see my distance. Also, too, it will also read my distance if I am on an exercise bike, which is awesome. And we have one here at the house, which Ron and I use a lot. I love that thing because the one that we have is sort of like the old-fashioned kind of fan-like bicycles, and you can move your arms and your legs at the same time, which is awesome. The one at the gym is really, in my opinion, a little more comfortable than the one that we have upstairs, and I do like it. Now, there are two gyms that they're all YMCA, but there are two different buildings. The one building actually sort of has even what I call the creme of the creme exercise bikes, where you kind of sit a little lower. And I like it because I feel like that it works more the stomach muscles and your legs. And I feel like I get a little more exercise or a little more of a workout when I use it. And I find that it's fun. And I can tell you that I love to track my distance now, because now I'm like trying to rack up how many miles I actually can do. And let me tell you guys something. One thing I have found out is uniquely how many miles I just do by doing housework, going to the grocery store, yard work, all those things. If you start tracking that, you're going to surprise yourself, if you're an active person, how many miles and your distance and all of that you get in an average day. I was really in shock. It is no wonder that in the end of the day, I hit the bed and I'm asleep, because I did not realize that I went that far in a day. I went that far in a day. So, with that being said, I have really felt really good here lately. Some of my clothes are actually fitting better. I find that I actually like my clothes. I've been wearing some more of my dresses, especially since it's gotten warmer and I can wear like a pair of sandals. It's just overall, this is not me trying to, how would I put this, look like Barbie or even lose a tremendous amount of weight. It's just me feeling better in my own skin. That's really important. How we feel about ourselves is really overall the most important thing. It isn't about what everybody else thinks of us. It's about how we perceive ourselves. So I feel like when you have a sense of accomplishment, it boosts your confidence, and that's a good thing. So I'm just putting that out there for you guys. I am not a wellness coach or a fitness buff. I'm not even really ever been an avid gym goer. I've always kind of steered away from going to the gym. I used to do outdoor tracks a lot. I've always been kind of scared of the indoor gym because I felt like everybody was going to look like Barbie and have perfect bodies and, really tight spandex pants and sports bras and, all the things. And I know. And if you have that body, you go, girl. But my thing is that I just felt like I would stick out like a sore thumb going to the gym. And you know what? I found out there's a whole lot of people that's just like me that's going to the gym. And we just have to push aside how maybe we feel that other people see us and just go do. Because if I think every time I went to the pool how I look in a bathing suit, I would never go. But I bought what I thought was the most covering, modest bathing suit, and I did, and I just go. I get in the water. I don't look around and observe other people and what they're doing. I just go and I work out and I have fun, and I can tell you right now, this girl loves the warm pool at the YMCA, and I don't even mind putting my feet in the hot tub once in a while. It is very, very nice, and it feels really nice, and it's kind of like really a good, you're getting your exercise, but at the same time, I feel like it's very relaxing for me. Also, too, if you are somebody who has been trapped inside because of the winter weather, being able to get out and work out has really helped my stress level and my anxiety. I told my husband the other day, I said, I feel so much better, and I really think it's because we've been able to get out of here. Because when you are trapped, your anxiety builds up, and you think about all the things, and most of the things you think about are things you can't fix right now, and you want to fix them, but you can't, and it's very, very stressful. It can be such a stressful time. Ronnie and I have been eating, trying to eat healthier meals. Now, you guys know I love to bake, I love to cook, and this channel is not going to be solely about salad, ever. It's not even going to be a vegan, never going to be a vegan channel, or all vegetable channel. Ronnie and I, we love to eat, we enjoy our food. However, we have really been trying to find new things that we like that are healthy versions of things that we like. And I think, honestly, some of the things I have made before, some of the things are new things. And I'm going to show you pictures here on the screen of the things that we have been eating, because I feel like I have taken all these pictures and I want to share them with you. And I just can't seem to get it out there to you guys. I did post these photos on my personal page, Heidi Kinzer's page. So if you're connected with me, which some of you are, on my personal page, and just kind of gave a little bit of brief description that Ronnie and I every week have been trying to incorporate healthier meals, healthier recipes, that kind of thing. So I wrote down, excuse the glasses, I wrote down on here, so you guys know I make the zucchini linguine. I have done a video on it. If I have done a video on any of these things, I will link it down below for you guys, so you guys can get the full recipe or the full idea of these things. I made turkey chili. That is one thing that I think has really helped us, is that we have been trying to choose more white meat over red meat or high fat. We've been choosing less fatty meats, if that makes any sense. So we had turkey chili. We had chicken fajitas with low carb wraps. So we've been really, really trying to watch our carb intake. You'd be surprised, how many carbs are in things you don't think about. But our carb intake, we've been watching. I made chia pudding with blueberries. Delicious and fast and easy, and it makes an easy breakfast that you can just slide in your refrigerator. And oh my gosh, it really is like having a pudding in the morning. It's almost, if I had to describe it, I would say that it's a very unique tapioca-like texture. It's very good. I made turkey penne. Let's see. Did I put that on here? Hold on just a second. I made whole wheat pasta with turkey and zucchini sauce. That was really good. And then up here, I'm reading my handwriting, which looks like a serial killer handwriting. I made the turkey, Polish sausage, and cabbage. That was a crock pot meal. Really good. Oh my gosh, I can't say enough about that. That was really good. I made Honeycrisp salad with feta cheese. Oh my word, my mother has me addicted to this salad. It is so good. I don't even think I shared any with Ronnie, because I literally can eat the whole salad in a couple days. It is so delicious. I made chocolate peanut butter banana protein shake. I got that recipe from Charlotte Grace, her page. She has a lot of really good ideas. She is on a weight loss journey. I find that she is very inspiring. And I feel like she says she's 5'3", I'm 5'3", and I feel like I can relate to her, which is nice to find when you're trying to do better. Try to eat better and get healthier. I think it's nice to find YouTube channels that you can connect with. What else did I do? I did chicken egg roll in a bowl. I have made that a million times over, but this time I just used the boneless, skinless chicken breast. I cubed it. I cooked it up first, and then I added the shredded cabbage mix, which is like coleslaw. And then I made the sauce. It was really, really good. I've got a little bit left in the refrigerator. I actually think that I'm going to heat that up and put it in a wrap and just eat it that way. I think it'll be delicious, and it'll be a lot of protein. And then today, I made walnut cranberry granola. You guys know I'm really big on making my own granola and my own sugar-free granola. So I make mine typically with applesauce, you know, an unsweetened applesauce, and then it's naturally sweetened. I'd put oatmeal and cranberries. It was delicious. And I put it over Greek yogurt for breakfast. With sometimes I'll add a banana, sometimes I won't. I didn't buy any bananas this week, which is odd for me. And then today, and I will put a picture because we will have it before I edit this, I will be making my red grape chicken salad with pecans. It is delicious. Oh my gosh, I could eat the whole thing by myself, but I will share a little with Ronnie. I will. But it is delicious. I absolutely love that recipe. I know a lot of you have mentioned that to me, that because I've been making that a really long time. I used to make it a lot when I was raising my kids, and my kids are great. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My kids are grown. To conclude this video for you guys. If you have any questions about any of the recipes, or if you might like me to show you how I make something that maybe I don't have a video to list. Also, too, if it is a recipe that's not mine, I will link it down below where I have found it online. I have made several things, and over time, I've kind of, I guess whenever you cook, you know, often, you kind of develop a system, and a lot of times I don't even follow recipes, and then I forget you all want recipes. And mine is just kind of like fly by the seat of my pants kind of recipes, but I will look up recipes if I need to. I'll find you something that's not maybe as close or as exact as I possibly can of what I make. But I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for being so patient with me and watching my videos. And waiting for my videos, but I am going to get up. I'm going to go make that chicken salad we're going to eat today, and then we're going to go out the door to a seminar today, and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to have maybe an hour, maybe two, and then I'll be back out the door to the gym. So, yeah, so I've already had a very busy day today. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll be talking to you all again soon. So, bye guys.